cannot miss this event. TryHackMe just announced the 2023 edition of the Advent of Cyber, and seriously, I cannot be more excited. First, there's over $50,000 worth of prizes. And second, the event is completely free and also beginner friendly. And finally, TryHackMe has invited the best cybersecurity content creators to help you solve all the challenges. And just to name a few of them, we will have our friend John Hammond, Insider PhD, Tiberius, Day Cyberwalks, and wait, what? Am I reading this correctly? Yeah, turns out your boy is also going to participate in this year's Advent of Cyber, and honestly, I can't even explain you how happy and grateful I am for this opportunity. Now, enough with the introductions, let's hop on the computer and see what TryHackMe has been planning for all of us. So, if you navigate to tryhackme.com/Christmas, you arrive on this page, and as you can see here, you have all the information regarding the Advent of Cyber event. So, let's just go through this very quickly, so you have a little bit of information about what the Advent of Cyber is. You have this big green button if you want to join, and as you can see, you have less than 10 days for the event to start. Then there's the main things about the event. You know already, there's a big prize, it's free to participate, you also get a certificate, and a lot of cybersecurity content creators are going to participate and do videos for you as well, so that's pretty nice. Then you have just a little video of the main characters of the storyline here. Again, a little bit of information on what the Event of Cyber is. You can see the event details. The event will start on a Friday, December 1st, and all the challenges will be released daily at 4 p.m. GMT time. And yeah, again, how to enter. If you're new to TryHackMe, you just have to create an account, join the room, and that's pretty much it. Just wait for December 1st and you'll have your first task there. And now, I know that my face is probably covering this up, but you will also get a certificate. As I said before, you can see here the layout. And one thing I'm not sure we had last year is this timeline here. I don't remember if we had this option last year to see what we were going to learn each day. So this is pretty interesting. Let's just say you're very curious about machine learning. Well, you can see that on day 1, you're going to learn about machine learning. Day 2 is going to be networking, programming, and log analysis, and so forth. So you can, I think you can scroll down to the last day. Let me just see. Oh yeah, you have day 23 will be mobile forensics and autopsy, which is a tool, forensics tool, and then the wrap up, it's the end of the event. All right. You also have the option to participate with your colleagues, with your teammates from your company, and then we have all the prizes, and this is amazing. The more questions you answer, bigger the chances are you're going to win one of these. So make sure you complete all the challenges and you go all the way through the event. Then you have 2 wallpapers you might want to use. And yeah, this is probably my favorite part of everything. TryHackMe is also creating a storyline for you to follow through all the challenges. So you have these little characters. We have Max Kitty, which I think has been present in all of the Advent of Cyber events until now. And my favorite, which is the bad guy, I think he's still here. Yes, the Bandit Yeti was here last year, and I think he will be present this year as well. Let's see. Alright, so then you have the story, which is pretty interesting, but we are not going to read it right now because I know there's a task for us to go through the story on TryHackMe's website. So that's pretty much it for this page. Now I'm going to click on this very big green button here to join the room, and you'll see where this will take us. So I was already logged in, so if you have a TryHackMe account, you'll see that you'll be redirected to this page, and here it's the room. So task number 1 is welcome to Advent of Cyber 2023. And yeah, basically you have pretty much the same information you had on the other page we just saw. So we have a little bit of information about the event, what the prizes are, how to qualify, how to win daily, the certificate, and the badge that you get if you complete all the challenges. The certificate is very nice. I know a lot of people end up sharing these on LinkedIn and Twitter, and you also get a little badge here. The feature videos are very nice because, as I told you, a lot of cybersecurity content creators are going to help you solve the challenges. So you have John Hammond, again, Insider PhD, InfoSecPath, ASCII hacks, and I mean, there's this little guy here. That guy doesn't matter. And then you have the topics, which we already read on the other page. So this isn't new information because we already checked it on the other page, so you can complete that. Make sure you read through it so you know how the challenge will work. Now we have task number 2, and here we have some rules. Okay, now If this is your first time using TryHackMe, please go through all of the information on this task, okay? But if you have been using TryHackMe for a long time now, or even recently, you'll know how TryHackMe works, okay? So this is pretty much standard information on how to start up the challenge, how to start machine, how you can see the IP address of the machine you're attacking, how to use the attacking box from TryHackMe. So that's pretty useful as well. I'm just going to click on complete. Here on task number 3, it's just for you to follow TryHackMe on all social media platforms, which I already do. So I can just click on this all as completed. Now for task number 4, they are inviting you to join TryHackMe's official Discord server, and I highly recommend you to do so because this will not just be useful for the Advent of Cyber event. This will be useful if you want to progress on your cybersecurity career and you want to engage in discussions, you want to learn more, you want to talk to people that also have created some TryHackMe challenges and rooms. So it's very nice. It's a very positive community. I highly recommend it. I'm just going to type yes and click on submit because I'm already part of that Discord community. And yeah, if you're not a premium subscriber yet, here's some information for you if you want to do that. So you can save 20% of your annual subscription using this code, which is pretty nice. I'm already a premium subscriber, so it doesn't apply to me. You also have some Christmas swag, which is nice. And yes, again, you can complete the Advent of Cyber as an organization with your teammates. I'm not going to do that, so yeah, let's go. Yeah, and now finally we have our story. So we didn't write it on the previous page because I knew we were going to have that possibility here. So let's go. Holidays are near. All seems well at Best Festival Company. Okay. Bankruptcy looming after Antarctic Crafts. Health stirs competition for Best Festival Company. Merger of the year. Best Festival Company takes over Antarctic Crafts. Alright, we are going to merge with a company that is facing bankruptcy. Okay, this might be a bit shaky. Alright, and still new security advantages lie ahead for McSkitty. Antarctic Crafts workshop as a service. And while this project promises much excitement, there are some big challenges to overcome. The team got to work immediately with support from local staff. Not everyone was happy with how things were going. Okay, so we have a regional manager and CTO McGreedy. Okay, this guy doesn't look very friendly. Looks like our friend is calling a detective, and apparently there's some attempting of sabotaging cybercrime and doing some anonymous tip thingy. Antarcticraft CTO is trying to sabotage the merger. Allegedly. That's not good. It's time to save the holidays again. Right behind you, boss. Alright. That's pretty nice. Oh god, I'm not going to read through all of this. Otherwise, you're just going to turn off the video. But yeah, if you want to understand more about the story, and I think there will be a lot of details here that I didn't understood from the cartoons, which is okay, I think you can read it right here. I'm just going to put that as complete. And finally, on the last task, come back on December 1st to see the first challenge to start earning prizes. If you want more information about this year characters, challenges, or the storyline, again, you can visit that first page that we looked at. So I'm just going to put that as complete. And come back on December 1st to answer this first question, which is okay. We just have to wait 8 days. Now, I just wanted to give a big up to all of these people, like the TryHackMe team and all of these content creators that created these amazing challenges for us to participate. It's all free and it's very nice. You can see here on the bottom, and I know my face is kind of in the way again, but we have already 17,000 people join in the event. So this is pretty crazy. Yeah, this is pretty nice. So yeah, that was the video. Make sure you participate. Who knows, you might win some very good prizes, and even if you don't, I'm sure you will learn a lot of new things along the way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!